Hey guys, so I'm going to do a quick demo of how my team profile generator works. I'm going to show you the code real quick. Um, First, we have the employee class. This is going to create a constructor for the employee that requires the name, ID, and email with these functions. Manager basically just supers the name, ID, and email, and also adds to the value the office number. And then the engineer also extends the employee class and also gets the GitHub, and in turn extends the employee class as well, and just returns the school. So real quick, I'm going to show you how to invoke the code. So we are going to node index.js, and it's going to ask us if we want to add a new employee. Let's go ahead and say yes. And let's add a manager. And it's going to ask for the manager's name. I'll just put in my name. And the ID, I'm just going to put in just one. And manager's email, I'll put in my email. And office number, I'm just going to put in a random number. And it's going to ask me if I would like to add a new employee. I'm going to go ahead and say yes. And I'm going to add an engineer. And then it's going to ask me for the engineer's name. I'm going to say Robert. And the engineer's ID, I'm just going to say 2. And engineer's email, so I'm just going to say maybe robert@email.com. And engineer's GitHub username, I'm just going to say Robert. And it's going to ask me if I would like to add a new employee. I'm going to go ahead and say yes as well. And I'm going to add an intern this time. And the intern's name, let's just say it's going to be Winnie. Intern's ID, let's say 3. Intern's email, I'm just going to say winnie@gmail.com. And intern's school, let's say use our San Jose State University. And it's going to ask me if I would like to add a new employee. I'm just going to go ahead and say no. And it's going to generate for me basically an array of objects, and it's going to say success. And what we're going to do is we are going to push our index file. So we are going to get add, commit, and hit push origin make. And now let's look at our deploy page. So we are going to go to here, and we are going to go to hit refresh, see if that worked. Yep, perfect. So Patrick is the manager, and it's going to be my office number right here. It's going to be my email address, Robert as the engineer, ID. It's going to be with his email address. When you click on the email link, the email dialog pops up. When you click on his GitHub becomes leads to his GitHub account, and Winnie with the School of San Jose State. And hope you guys like my video. Thanks for watching.